Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video we're going to do some really great gentle seated exercises. So first things first, you want to start obviously with a chair, and you don't need any fancy gear, by the way. I'm just in my jeans and just an easy top, but as long as something's stretchy and comfortable for you. Now, sitting in the chair, first of all, we're going to come slightly forward, and we just want to make sure that our shoulders are nice and relaxed and our back is nice and straight as you can, almost pretending that there's a piece of string coming all the way up to the ceiling, so you're nice and in alignment. Then placing our hands onto our tummy, let's just gently breathe in for 3 and hold that engagement, if you like, when we're doing these gentle exercises. Now, obviously, if you do have any issues, you can speak to your doctor first. These are very gentle, and just go to the limits to which you can actually do these, and you can just build up. So first things first, let's just roll our shoulders backwards, just getting everything going. And you can incorporate the arms as well. Nice and relaxed, core engaged. And let's just come forward. You may be able to, hear a little bit of crunching. And then let's just come back a couple of times. So we're then setting our shoulders in place. So again, we're nice and straight. So then taking our hands here, let's just come upwards with the arms and then come down. And let's do this 8 times. It's coming up for 1 and 2, nice and gentle, just as far as what you can do for yourself, for you. For 3, again, remembering to keep a strong core. For 4, and a back straight. 5, really good to lift the arms up. We don't usually do this motion in every day. 6, 7, and last time 8, just hold for a few seconds and then come back down nice and slowly. So we're going to work from the head and then we're going to work all the way down the body with these gentle exercises. So now we're going to just do a little bit again on the shoulder work and also on the arms, and particularly the neck here. Obviously, if you do have neck issues, see your doctor first, but again we're going to go fairly gentle. So I'm placing my hand on top of my head, again back nice and straight, core nice and engaged, and then just gently place it to the side just a little bit. You don't need to overextend. And then we're going to take our hand out to the side, and if you like, if you can just tilt it, and let's just do some round circular motions. Just one way. 1, 2, let's do this for 8, 3, 4, 5, and you should feel this, 7, 6, 7, and 8, and just hold. You should feel this in your arms here as well. And let's go backwards the other way now for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and hold, and gently release, gently coming back up. Nice gentle deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And then placing our hand, the opposite hand now, onto our head, gently breathing in. And as we breathe out slowly, just very gently tilt the head just a tiny bit, and then also extend the arm. And if you like, you can just literally just flex your hand to actually have more of a contraction. Let's go forward for 8. Round circular motions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then backwards for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and hold. Take down the arm and then just gently come back up. So let's just do another shoulder exercise before we start on the waist here. So again, we've rolled our shoulders forwards and back. So what we're going to do now, placing our hands onto our shoulders, you just want to really extend backwards, almost pretending that there's a pen between your shoulder blades. And really feel that stretch, but obviously just go gentle and don't overdo it. And let's just hold for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's just do a little round circular motion here. Just releasing any tension, just run one way and then just the other. And then again, just setting the shoulders back in place by going backwards. So now let's just do a bit of torso work, a little bit of twisting. Again, a very gentle twist. Placing our hand onto the opposite knee, gently breathing in, remembering core engaged, shoulders back and nice and relaxed, and the back nice and straight. Breathing in, and then just breathing out, just very gently turn to the side. You don't need to overextend on your head. And let's just do this for a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathing out and come back. Opposite hand to the opposite knee. Placing our hand behind us on the chair. Again, back nice and straight, shoulders relaxed. Gently breathe in. And then just breathe out and just give a slow twist. And then for 8. So let's go backwards. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back out. And let's just do this one last time, again, to really help with this, with the obliques and also the stomach area, if you like. So again, gently placing our hand onto the opposite knee, placing our hand behind us, breathe in, and then just come and breathe out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in and then breathe out and gently come back. And then for the last time on the other knee. Hand on the knee, hand behind, gently breathing in. And then just breathe out and just give a very gentle twist for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Breathe in and then breathe out and come back. So now let's just do a little bit of work on the legs here. So let's just do some calf raises. So our feet are onto the floor. You want to spread your toes if you're not wearing any slippers or any trainers or shoes. So you've got maximum surface area on the floor. You can hold on to a chair if you like on the sides and then just lift up onto our toes and come back down. Again, let's just do this for 8 times. 1. Really stretching out 2, the toes as well. 3, 4, 5, holding in your core. 6, and back nice and straight. 7, and one last time. 8, just hold this for a few seconds. And then just gently come down. And then just come backwards and forwards now, marching it out, changing each leg. So gentle march on the tiptoes. Come up and then just come back down. Again, let's now do a leg extension. So you want to come up with the foot, with the leg, come out, come back down and place down, and then we'll go on to the other side of the other leg. So again, just make sure that our shoulders are nice and relaxed, our core is engaged, and we've got a nice straight back, holding on to a side if you have a side. I don't. And then with our leg, we're just lifting up with the thigh and then just coming out, come back, just gently place. And we're going to do this 8 times on each side. So that's 1. Don't overextend, just go just nice and gentle. 2, 3, 'll do this 4th time now here. And you can go as slow as you like. And if you want to do extra exercises, you can always come back to this as well. 5, 6, 7, 8 here, coming out. Again, just as much as you can, don't overextend, and relax, and just give the legs a little shake here. So for another foot exercise, we're just going to come out with our feet, and you just want to round circular motions with the ankles here, just releasing any tightness of the ankle. And let's just go around in a circular motion 8 times and then 8 the other way. So for 1, 2, nice and gentle, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and then the other way for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Gently come back down, and then just lift up your thigh, come out with the foot, and then just come for a round circle one way for 8 and then the other. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we did an extra 2. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come down. Because we've done 2 on the other side, I like to always be even, so we're going to come back with the other leg and just go 2 one way and then 2 the other, and then come back down and just give it a good shake out. So now we're going to come to the parts of our hands here. So we're going to take our hands here, and you want to interconnect them, and then just come outwards. Have a really nice stretch of the arms and the fingers. Let's just hold this for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then just lift up all the way to the top as far as you can. A lovely sort of semi-stretch, not a full stretch, but half a body stretch here, as far as you can, and then just very, very slowly breathing out, coming down back to our starting position. Right, so to finish off with, we're going to do just a little bit of gentle breathing. So placing our hand onto our tummy, relaxing the shoulders, we're going to gently breathe in for 2, hold for 2, and then just extend the breath for 6. And we'll do this 2 times. In through the nose and out through the nose. And if you like, you can count in your head. So and one last time, calming down the nervous system. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it really useful. Please comment down below, tell me how you found this. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.